Continuing with our wedding prep hacks, we have got another product to show you, which I'm sure you will have heard of, but this is FloraLife's Finishing Touch Spray. Now this product works really well with wedding flowers, particularly when you think hand-tied bouquets, buttonholes, corsages, anything that's not going to have a water source. If the ceremony is taking place outside and it's warm weather, these flowers are going to dehydrate very quickly, which means they're going to start wilting quite quickly. So Finishing Touch Spray is designed to reduce the time it takes for those flowers to dehydrate. It's really easy to use. You just hold it to about 6 inches away and give the flowers a good spray. It's actually also worth spraying underneath the leaves as well, because the leaves have the little stomata under there. This is a cellular product, which means the flowers absorb it. So this will keep the flowers hydrated for 24 hours. So as far as wedding work's concerned, this is an absolute essential go-to. Because remember, wedding flower photographs are going to last a lot longer, and you don't want droopy blooms on your wedding photographs.